What's going on, everybody? JR from JR's Cars, and if you're like me, you have a late model car that has that black plastic trim all over the damn place. So I'm going to show you a little trick to make it go from this to this without having to use anything like ArmorAll or Back to Black or anything like that. The only thing you're going to need is a heat gun. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so basically this is what I'm going to use. It's just a basic cheap Harbor Freight heat gun. And what I do is I'll put it on the highest setting. You see there's low and there's high. I'll put it on the highest setting. I'll let it warm up for a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make passes on the black plastic. You want to make sure that you're just on the plastic itself though. And you'll watch all this white, this faded out white coloring is going to start changing colors and it's going to go back to black. Basically, it's taking off the oxidation that's on the outside of the black plastic, and it's just going to leave the plastic behind. You want to make sure though when you're doing this that you're moving it, you're constantly moving it. You don't want to stay in one spot for too long because you will melt the plastic if you stay on there for too long. So let's give it a whirl here and I'll show you the transformation. Now, obviously, the stronger the heat gun you have, the better the heat gun you have, the quicker this is going to get done. So you really have to be careful. And then on top of it, you also have to be very careful about going around the paint that's in the area there too. It's not warm. It's not very hot at all on the paint. But as you can see, it basically baked off the oxidation that was there. So, I mean, it's a neat little trick. Obviously, it's not perfect. I mean, it's not really going to be 100% perfect, but it puts you in a better spot to where now at this point you can put some, say, ArmorAll or something on there and it'll shine up really nice and it'll last a little bit longer because now it doesn't have this white oxidation on it as opposed to it just being nice and black plastic like this. So do me a favor, if this is going to help you out, smash that like button. Drop your comments down below and subscribe to the channel because I have a bunch more tips and tricks on the channel. And I also just picked up a 1969 Mercury Monterey that I'm going to be building. So if that kind of stuff interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel because I have some videos coming very, very soon. I hope everybody's staying safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.